Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Coinbase wire transfers. First, ensure your Coinbase account is fully verified and linked to your bank. You'll need to provide your bank with specific Coinbase account details, including routing and account numbers. Always double-check these details to prevent delays. Once initiated, the transfer typically takes 1 to 3 business days to process. We'll walk through each step to make it straightforward. To begin, log into your online banking platform or visit your bank in person. Navigate to the wire transfer section, which might be under payments or transfers. You'll need to input Coinbase's specific bank details, including their bank name, address, routing number, and account number. These are found within your Coinbase account under the deposit section for USD. Be sure to include your unique reference code in the memo field. Before finalizing, meticulously review all the information you've entered. Incorrect details can cause significant delays or even loss of funds. Be aware that banks typically charge a fee for outgoing wire transfers, often around $25 to $30. Coinbase itself does not charge for incoming wires, but your bank will. Confirm the total amount, including any fees, before submitting your request. After initiating, keep an eye on your Coinbase account. Most wire transfers complete within 1 to 3 business days. If your funds haven't appeared after 3 business days, first check your bank for confirmation. Then, reach out to Coinbase support with your wire transfer confirmation number. They can help investigate any delays. Also, for a fresh car, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.